Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show how to create photo manipulation. Before that I say, if you are new to my channel then you must subscribe, and if you subscribe, thank you so much, because your subscription and good comments inspire a lot to make good videos. So let's get started. Welcome back. This photo manipulation will record a picture and I cut the already to save time. Now this picture has to be adjusted here. First of all, I will convert to smart object. I want to make this color a little red, so selecting this one, then we will go image adjustment, then hue saturation. Saturation I will increase it a bit and decrease the hue. Then hit OK. Now we will paint on this water, so we have taken a new layer. Then select the brush and color pick. I will reduce the opacity a bit for this. I will select a water drop as it looks like the water is moving while painting. Now that the text is almost done, only by adjusting the color. That's why I am from the keyboard hold Ctrl Alt Shift E, merge the layer. If you like this video, then like, comment, share and definitely subscribe.